Slipping gears? Losing acceleration? Overheating transmission? All of these could be caused by a bad torque converter. Let's take a look at what this critical component does and what happens when it goes bad. What is a torque converter? A torque converter is a component in an automatic transmission system that uses a fluid coupling mechanism to transfer power from the engine to the transmission and ultimately to the wheels. It allows the engine to keep running even when the vehicle is at a standstill and provides smooth power delivery in automatic transmissions. What does a torque converter do? Number 1. Torque measurement. The primary function of a torque sensor is to measure the amount of torque or rotational force being applied to a shaft, object, or system. It provides a quantitative measurement of this force, typically in units like Newton meters or pound-feet. Number 2. Monitoring and control. Torque sensors are often used to monitor and control the torque applied to a system in real time. For example, in automotive applications, torque sensors can be employed to monitor the engine's output torque, helping the vehicle's computer system adjust fuel injection and transmission shifts for optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Number 3. Safety and quality assurance. By accurately measuring torque during assembly or manufacturing tasks, they help detect variations or defects in the production process. This ensures that components are assembled correctly, preventing issues like over-tightened or under-tightened fasteners, which can lead to product failures or safety hazards. Torque sensors are versatile devices used in various industries and applications where the measurement and control of torque are essential for efficient operation, safety, and quality assurance. Symptoms of a bad torque converter. Here are some signs that your torque converter could be bad. Number 1. Slipping transmission. One of the most noticeable symptoms of a bad torque converter is a slipping or erratic transmission. You may experience a delay in acceleration or a sensation of the engine revving without a corresponding increase in vehicle speed. Number 2. Overheating transmission. A bad torque converter can cause the transmission to overheat due to excessive friction and inefficient power transfer. Overheating can lead to other transmission problems and even engine damage, so if your transmission is overheating, take it to a shop immediately. Number 3. Unusual noise. A failing torque converter can produce abnormal noises such as grinding, whirring, or humming, especially when the vehicle is in gear and moving. Number 4. Poor fuel efficiency. A decrease in fuel efficiency is another sign of a bad torque converter because it can cause the engine to work harder and consume more fuel to maintain speed. Number 5. Check engine light. A malfunctioning torque converter can trigger the vehicle's onboard computer to illuminate the check engine light. It may store diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, related to torque converter issues. Unfortunately, many of these symptoms could be caused by another issue with your car. If you suspect your vehicle has a bad torque converter, it's crucial to have it inspected and repaired by a qualified mechanic to prevent further damage to the transmission and ensure the safe operation of your vehicle. Causes of a bad torque sensor. A bad torque sensor can result from various factors, including: Number 1. Physical damage. Physical damage to the sensor, such as impact, corrosion, or exposure to harsh environmental conditions, can lead to a malfunctioning torque sensor. Number 2. Wear and tear. Over time, the internal components of a torque sensor may wear out or degrade, affecting its accuracy and reliability. This can occur due to continuous use and stress on the sensor. Number 3. Electrical or wiring issues. Problems with the electrical connections, wiring, or the sensor's connectors can cause issues with torque sensor readings. Loose connections, damaged wires, or faulty connectors can also disrupt the sensor's performance. Number 4. Calibration errors. Torque sensors need to be calibrated properly to provide accurate measurements. If the sensor is not calibrated correctly or if the calibration drifts over time, it can result in inaccurate torque readings. Number 5. Excessive torque load. Applying torque loads beyond the sensor's specified limits can lead to sensor failure. Excessive torque can cause strain, deformation, or damage to the sensor's internal components. It's essential to maintain and monitor torque sensors regularly, especially in critical applications like automotive safety systems and industrial machinery, to detect and address issues before they affect performance. Routine calibration, proper maintenance, and careful handling can help prevent many of these causes of torque sensor problems. Cost of fixing a bad torque converter. How much will this cost to fix? The total price for parts and labor to replace a bad torque converter ranges from $600 to around $1,000. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.